This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix a British Gas app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you three possible solutions in order for you to fix your application. So first is make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So first, just open up the Google Play Store and then search for British Gas app. And now, over here, just tap on the app and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now guys, if this doesn't work, for the second solution is just go to your settings on your device and then tap on the apps. And then from here, just try to find the British Gas and tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage. And guys, make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix your British Gas application. And now, if any of these doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall your British Gas app. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and now install it back again on your device. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue on your British Gas application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!